MRO has been operating in Wrocław since 2016, when the concept of creating an European service center of excellence, was created. MRO is a team of qualified technicians, engineers and specialists.
Our repair and service facility is a part of the modern over 1,000 employees campus of Collins Aerospace Wrocław, where in addition to our plant, we also have an engineering center and a manufacturing plant of new product for OEM.
Our service center is proud for gaining great trust of customers, including the largest operators such as Lufthansa, Air France, KLM, Ryanair, and manufacturers of aircrafts and helicopters like Airbus, Embraer, Leonardo.
Our Wrocław MRO plant holds regulatory certificates for MRO activities from multiple agencies, including the FAA, EASA, TCCA and CAC.
I worked with the MRO teams for over 4 years now. I gradually developed my technical and analytical skills, as well as leadership skills. I see myself at MRO in the future, hoping for a long professional career here.